Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. So if you want to adjust the screen brightness on your watch, first you will need to open the menu, and to do that press the upper button. Once the menu opens, scroll through the menu and look for the option called Settings. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it of course. In settings, find the option called Display and Brightness and tap on it. And here select the brightness. And now we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the minus and plus button. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.